Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, it just became night. So today I'm going to be, make sure you can't see what I'm doing already. Okay, there. So today I'm going to be, what am I doing? Okay. Today I'm going to be giving you a full house tour. I've already done the kitchen and the bedroom tour. But today I'm going to be doing both in one and a little extra add. So this is my bedroom. And this is my bed. I have a little light above my bed and a massive window. In here I have like the living room. Like I have a fancy chair and a fancy sofa. Well, that is what the chair I guess is. Then I have my TV, glowing TV. Also, we shouldn't be watching TV at night, so let's turn that off. Then I have my light. Then we have my bathroom. I have 3 mirrors, 2 glasses, and I have my fancy pot, I guess, decorative pot. Then I have my big window, and my pool/hot tub. I think it looks like a pool just because of like the ladder and everything, but it does only seat 4 people, just like the hot tub. But I really like it. Okay, sorry, the music's so good. Then we have over here, let's go to my kitchen. I still need to add lights to the kitchen, but like right here I have like the kitchen area, I have the island in the middle, and I have my colored stools right here. I need to add like some placemats or like a carpet on top of that or something. I just think it'll look a little better because it's a little plain right now. Then we have a bunch of seats, because instead of doing like a long, like the big dining room table they have, cost me a lot of money if I did that. And it didn't look that good, so I just decided to go with a bunch of chairs. And then over here, I have 2 massive windows. Actually, you know what? I should probably get rid of one of those, and it won't give me much money. I think I'm going to get rid of both of them, just because, yeah, we'll just leave it. Okay, sorry. Then we have, this is like the start of the living room. I'm not completely done with the living room. I love these sofas though. And then we have a little fish tank. I wonder if there's like a fish in there. There probably isn't, but what? Nope. No fishies. That's too bad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs and show you what I have done wallpaper wise. Right here is I think this is gonna be another living room space. This is another bedroom that I have not started. I have added wallpaper though, and I have made a bathroom for this bedroom. It's a little different, but I think this is either gonna be the guest bedroom or I don't know. Oh, who's that? Get out of my house. Okay, sorry about that. And then in here, I don't think I have done much. Okay, this is not supposed to be here. This is just randomly there. Since you didn't see that. I still have some lights up there. I'm not fully done. My glitch, I have basically destroyed my glitch, I guess you could say that. I pretty much took it apart. I took off the stairs and everything. I think in my first video you can see what it looks like before. And in my first video you can also see what my house looked like before I started redecorating it. This is all the stuff that I if I deleted I wouldn't get any money for, so I might as well keep it. We might redo this. I might redo this again soon. I mean, I guess I could put like a bedroom right over there, but for now, we are going to skip that. And I forgot if I have put a bathroom right here. I don't think I have. No, I have not. Just a blank room. This is a pretty big bedroom, so I don't know if I should make this a bedroom or if I should, like, I don't know. Comment down below if you have an idea. But I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!